Welcome back to the channel, People's Garage. And today we got another install for your Hellcat owners, and today is going to be shown on a TRX. And you can find his page right here, My Destroyer 1320. See right there. And then of course you can look it up at destroyer1320.com to get the parts to protect your Hellcat, any kind of Hellcat, scat packs, rack packs, yo mama's pack, whatever. So I'm gonna let my bro go ahead. He's gonna show you the full install. Let's get to it.
Okay, today here we are with my 2021 TRX, and in case you are wondering what we are doing today, my buddy, my friend, my brother over at 1320 Solutions has sent me a special piece that we are going to put on the TRX to stop thieves from breaking into them and pulling the neutral safety switch and pushing your truck away. So we're going to jump right into it. First, you want to pop this bottom cover off. Boop! Look at there. Now you can see your neutral safety switch. Then you want to remove these two screws, which I've already moved. If you have electric parking brake like mine, and you want to gently pull on this piece here, as it snaps in, you want to pop it out, exposing your neutral safety switch. And you have two screws that you're going to have to remove so that the brace can fit over. So we'll get right into that in a few minutes. So as I got to working, it seems like I'm going to have to pop this panel piece off too. We got two little bitty bolts holding it in, and this panel should come down. Hey, I'm normally not the get on one knee type of guy, but for you, my TRX, we are together as one. So I am on my knee for you, baby, just to keep you protected. So here we have the bracketry, and it is going to slide up in here and basically bolt down. So we're gonna try to get it together. So as you guys can see, the neutral safety switch plate lines up perfectly. My boy over at 1320 looks like he got it right. So I already started one of my bolts right there. I'm gonna put my other bolt in, put the panels all the way back, and hey, there will be no snatching mine. You guys already know, we've already did the taser pin video, and I got something special coming up for the taser as well too, to help cut down on, you know, just snatching the taser out and trying to steal the truck as well. So this is definitely going to be a hard truck to get if somebody ever try to get it. Plus I'm always watching it, so you know what I'm saying. All right, well, I'm gonna get everything bolted back up. We'll see what it do. So tools that I used is a Phillips head for the two screws here. But you can also, if you don't want to use a Phillips head, you can use a 932 socket, and it will take the two screws here on the neutral safety switch off. It would also take the two bottom panel switches off. And this here, see the two screws right there, it'll also take that off for the emergency. So in all you have, yeah, two screws here, two screws there, and two screws on that panel. So a maximum of 6 screws are the only tools that I used, and it's fairly simple, you know what I mean. And the way I got the plate in, I wasn't going to take this whole dash apart. I just kind of pulled on this little brace here and finagled it down through here, and was able to get the plate to straighten out and bolt up. So there it is.
There you go. It's all back together. Never know what's even in there. And of course you can't forget the old faithful steering wheel bar. For this video, guys, stay tuned for another one. It's going to be coming up soon. So go ahead, hit that like, share, subscribe button. Until next time, peace.